When I started out in this company, I have to say that my goal was to be successful. And I knew that it would have to take innovation. We saw the industry, in the construction industry, that they really didn't develop technology, or they really didn't look at it as something that important. When we hired our first IT group, we really saw how it really developed and improved our needs. And we knew we were so customer-oriented that whatever we developed in technology for IT was going to actually help benefit our customers.
One of the reasons we're talking about this today is that we have a dynamic IT team that can think outside the box and provide systems surrounding Dexter Chaney's platform, which is solid, and integrate back and forth with it. And that type of flexibility is exactly what we need to be innovative for our customers and to stay married to our technology provider. And we feel Dexter Chaney is that company.
Our department takes a look at what it takes to run the company. We took a step back and looked at all the processes involved in whether it be running a job, accounting, logistics of facilities. We took a step back and looked at every process we currently had and how could we make it better. Our construction management software, Spectrum, is flexible enough that it allowed us to integrate all of our custom applications into their system and allow us to do combined reporting on both, and it's been a tremendous benefit to our company.
We need to be able to see the story from beginning to end. And you can't do that unless everything's integrated and talking to each other, and you're not having to do double data entry. You're entering things into one spot, and that data is then housed in Spectrum's database, which I'm allowed to do. And through that database, I'm also able to grab that data through another web application and report on it however I want. And once we had that up and running, what do you know? All the spreadsheets disappeared.
We do racking maintenance for Home Depot. It's a safety program. So we basically visit the stores twice a year. We go into the store, we inspect their store, all of their racking, and make sure that they're safe. And then the second trip is to actually make the racking repairs. We depend on Spectrum every day for our vast reporting that we do. We rely on reporting to be able to track all of our 600 plus stores and the various trips that we make to each of these stores. Spectrum's flexibility allows us to better service our Home Depot client every day. Without Spectrum's flexibility, we would not be able to use all the reporting and all of the web interface and workbooks that we use on a day-to-day basis.
The reason we went with Dexter and Chaney initially was because it allowed us to do the things we weren't able to do then. What's kept us a loyal customer for a long time and will in the future that we still believe in is the fact that, number one, they will partner with us, they will work with us, they will also, we don't feel like we can outgrow them.